care of animals, an amazing story. Once there was a young girl named Mina. She had a deep love for animals and dreamt of making difference in their lives. Mina started volunteering at a local animal shelter where she took care of abandoned and neglected animals. She fed them, played with them, and provided them with love and attention. Through her dedication, Mina not only helped these animals find new homes but also raised awareness about animal welfare in her community. Mina's story teaches us the importance of taking care of animals and being their voice when they can't speak for themselves. Thank you for watching.